Counting carbohydrates is one key way to stay healthy with diabetes. Munch on these 5 diabetes-friendly snacks. They may be light in carbs, but they're full of flavor. 1. Almonds. Almonds are chock full of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. 1 ounce contains 6 grams of carbohydrates, but since they're high in calories, limit portion size to a handful. 2. Avocados. With just over 4 grams of carbs per quarter slice, avocados help prevent blood sugar levels from spiking and keep you feeling fuller longer. Eat one on its own, or mash into guacamole and dip with sliced raw veggies. 3. Mini caprese kabobs. Mozzarella cheese has 0 carbs, high protein, and moderate fat content. Skewer small mozzarella balls with cherry tomatoes. This healthy dish clocks in at just 1 total carb, so eat up. 4. Celery with peanut butter. Celery has just 1.2 grams of carbohydrates, and coupled with peanut butter can be a delicious and filling snack for people watching their carbs. The fiber and fat content keeps blood sugar levels steady, and the celery gives you a satisfying crunch. 5. Hard-boiled eggs. 1 large hard-boiled egg has 6 grams of protein and 0 carbs, which helps maintain blood sugar levels. Enjoy a plain hard-boiled egg or 2 for a snack, or garnish with a dollop of salsa.